How to add someone's Instagram story to my own story on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from The Solution Guy, and in this guide video I will show you the way as to how you can actually add someone's story to your own story on Instagram. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let us get started with today's video. Now first of all, just make sure that you have either downloaded or updated the Instagram app to the latest version, and you can do this by heading over to your app store, in the search box typing in Instagram, and go ahead and simply either download or update the app. Once you have updated the Instagram app, I want you to go over and then simply open it up. The next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. Now, if I just try to add someone else's random story from this list to my own story, you can see we do not have the option to add this to our story or anything else as such. The only way you can add directly someone's story on your own story without screenshotting them is that you have to be mentioned or tagged in that particular story. For example, you can see if I just open up this random story over here, I'm currently tagged in it, and that is why I'm being able to find the option called add this to your story, because I'm currently tagged in it. But if you're not tagged or mentioned in it, you will not be able to do so, and you will most likely not find this option. So as you can see over here, if I tap on add this to your story button, it will just give me a little pop-up, and their name is also going to show up here, as well as a story within their name as well. And now you can tap on the your story button in order to go ahead and then add this particular story to your own story. But as I said earlier, the only way to officially add someone is that you need to be mentioned. For example, if you want to, let's say, just add someone else's as well, in that case you can just take a screenshot of it. So let me just go ahead and do that. Once you take a screenshot of that particular story, then what you can do is you can come back, then tap on the your story button, select that screenshot, and now you can just go ahead and then add them in that way. But keep in mind that this is the only way to add someone's Instagram story to your own story. Hopefully this video helped answer your question as to how you can add someone's story. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, then make sure to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.